Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. Now right here, all what you wanna do is click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, click on delete. Go back and now click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options and disable only the background data. Now what you want to do next is go to the settings again, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds and then disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.